Good morning or afternoon. It's like 1 p.m. So today, Diego, he's gonna come over. He said he's having issues with his car. No power, limp mode. We're gonna scan it, see. He had a couple codes already going on, so we're gonna see if any new codes came up. So, you got it? Put that boy down a little bit. Perfect. All right, so right here on your intake, which one did I say it was yesterday? Do you remember?
You said it was this one.
No, not this.
Oh, okay.
I was pointing down here.
Oh.
This is what it is. Okay. So it's actually right in what I thought it was. It's this sensor right here. See this?
Yeah.
There's one right here. You see this guy with the green paint? Yep, that's the only thing that holds it in. It clips in on the bottom. That's your map sensor. And then up here, if we take off this cap, right here and right here, these are your camshaft position sensors. One is the exhaust side, I believe it's the back one, and then this one's the intake side.
Nice.
So one or both of those are bad too. Throwing that other code most likely get that code taken care of just by switching out, putting a new one of those. And these are also just one little bolt held in on either of them, and then a clip, and they come right out. That's like, we can take them out with just this. We don't need to take anything else off. Same with that. That one's gonna be a little more tricky. I need an extension, but it's fine. This was an old code we had related to the camshaft position correlation bank 1 sensor B. And so sensor B, I would assume, would be the one in the back, like the exhaust sensor. This is the absolute manifold, the map. This is why we're changing the map. And it's another one with the camshaft. So right now we're just checking that to see if we can diagnose which one of those sensors is bad. So right now it says bank 1 sensor B. We're gonna test which one's bad. So now we got both of them out, and we're just gonna do a little swap. We're gonna look at them, see if we can see anything visually terrible, but they're looking okay. So that one came from there. This one came from here, correct?
Correct.
So we're gonna put the back one in the front, and the front one in the back. All right, now we'll plug them in and screw them in, and we'll see if our code's changed at all. We made it to the zone de auto. What are we gonna get?
Sensors.
That's right. We're gonna get a map sensor, and then crankshaft position sensor, and then we're also gonna get some oil, right?
Yeah.
And a filter.
And a filter.
And a filter. And if they have a crazy deal, like with the Prius I just got, when I did an oil change on the Prius, I got a deal where they also had the cabin air filter involved. When was the last time you changed your cabin air filter?
Never.
Never? So sometimes they have it where it's like $2 more and you get a cabin air filter. If they have that, we should probably do that too then, if you're down.
I'm down.
Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna go grab all that stuff, bring it back, and then throw it on the car. And hopefully it runs better. We got a parking buddy. I'll f with it. I'll f with it. And we got all the stuff. So we're back with our haul, plus oil. And first we're gonna get that map sensor out again. You can see it's already sticking out. I just kind of pushed it back in. It's not screwed in or anything. And that boy. And then we're gonna put in the new one. Right here. Looks pretty good, pretty good. Hopefully it fits. All right, so we're just gonna take some oil and lube her up. Just like that. No big deal. No big deal. Don't leave me dry now, Daddy. Now we'll pop this map back into its sensor hole. Beautiful. And then we'll plug her in. Clipped in. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, so we're gonna scan her. And then now it says just one code. What is the code? It still says crankshaft position camshaft. We might have replaced that for no reason, which will piss me off. We got all the Diego stuff done. Now I'm gonna go on a drive up the mountain with the Bible boys. I'm not sure if they want to be on camera, but we'll see. We'll ask them. We made it to the top.
Hey, is this Golf? GTI, but yeah, Golf GTI, yeah. Yeah.
Made it to the top. Look at all the burnt trees. All right, so the drive went well. They didn't want to be on camera, which is cool. They seem to enjoy it. Now I'm going to eat this. Trying to get the flavor. And then go to sleep. So, good night.